Hola y bienvenidos. Hello and welcome to the Spanish channel. This is a free online tool to support the learning of Castilian Spanish via a series of themes broken up into individual lessons. Each theme will feature taught components of listening, speaking, reading, writing and translation skills and vocabulary to be pronounced, recognised and learned. The Spanish channel is not designed to be a linear course as such, so it may be that you tune into specific areas of interest. For example, you may want to brush up on how to order food and drink in a restaurant and then move on to greetings. The choice is yours, and you should supplement what you find here with other resources such as the Duolingo app, Quizlet, and of course you'll need a dictionary. There will be a series of activities in each lesson, at which point you may want to simply pause the video or take a screenshot so you can complete the tasks at your own pace, followed of course by the answers. I'd also recommend that you'd have at the very least a notepad to hand to help you to complete the tasks and keep your notes well organised for easy access and to facilitate your learning. So, I hope you enjoy your experience and I look forward very much to working with you. Adios! Also of note is that each theme has an overarching focus. So for example, theme 1 is all about communication, and within that theme there are different parts. Part 1, for example, is all about introductions. Lesson 1 will focus on greetings, Lesson 2 inference, Lesson 3 how are you, and Lesson 4 age and birthdays. We'll then move on to part 2 of theme 1 and continue the topic of communication. And hopefully just from watching this introductory video you will have now learned 3 words: hola, hello, bienvenidos, welcome, and adios, goodbye. And you might have noticed that if you break up the word adios into 2 parts, you've got the word a, which means to, and dios, meaning God. So literally adios means to God, or go with God. And there you go, tip 1 already done. I'll see you for lesson 1.